Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about the changes that have come along within Google's core update for May 2020. So of course, it was first reported that, oh, this is all done, and we said, well, maybe not so soon. Maybe there's more to this Google core update for May 2020. And it looks like that's true because one of the things that's changed is how Google is displaying images. You might remember that when you did a search for any given thing in any given town, you might have seen images inside of search results, even on the first page. The deal was it was usually only one row, so it was about 4 or 5 images, depending on your screen size, which browser. Now, with the Google Core Update for May 2020, it seems that images are being displayed by Google in a new way, right? 3 rows and 3 rows of 5, at least on desktop. Right, so now what used to be 5 images is now 15. Right? That's important for your SEO to know. So let's go take a look at how that works. If we do something like search for body shop in a given town, let's just say Millersville. When we do that, here we have the first page results. Notice the images that come up, again, 3 rows of 5, so 15 images. All right, so let's take a look at how Google displays this and maybe where they're pulling from. All right, so if we just put our mouse over top of it, we see that these are coming from websites. Not only just one website, but multiple. Now this site has done very well in the fact that they have got 10 of the 15 images are all from the same site, right? So they've done a good job with SEO. They've done a good job with titling and SEOing the image tags as well. Right now, there are some other images from other sites that are on there, but the vast majority are all from this one. So they've done a really good job. All right. So let's take a look at another one. Right. Back to this original page that we saw. We even see that Google will allow some with text in it, some with logos in it. Right. Here's one with the actual logo of the shop. Notice also, you can think about this from the marketing standpoint, how we might want to have one where a person's face, right? That's catching. We know that from eye studies that people will gravitate, will look towards an image that has a face in it, that has something looking at them, right? Other things like bright colors and much more in-depth marketing can also be taken. All right, so what are some of these SEO gains that can happen from it? Well, in the first place, the obvious, right? Someone searches and on the front page comes these images and they can be to your website. Well, if they come to your website, right, they can click on that image and go directly to the site. Here's one, and you notice that Google is pulling this image, as we can see from the URL, right from Facebook. So it doesn't have to just be from a website. It can also be that you do a good job with your images on your Facebook page. So if someone clicks on one of these and they go to your website or they go to your social media, obviously that can help your business in the real world and that someone may choose your business. Now, it also may help from an SEO standpoint in that more people come to your site, they spend more time on it, they look around, more unique IPs, right? All the good things that happens when someone comes to your site. This is just another way to get them into the front door, or if you will, the side door, or even the image door in this case. Right? So another great way to think of this is by taking quality images, and if we take another look, let's say we look even at a whole nother thing like roofers in a given town. Again, on the first page, we see all these images. Right? Well, let's say that your business, your roofing company, goes ahead and really invests in getting a lot of unique images and SEOs those images properly with their titles and tags and all the meta tags behind them and all the tags when you put them into a site, right? Those SEO details. Well, you can block your competition because you have dominated this first page as many of the images as you possibly can. Right, so it's a great one-time investment to go ahead and get images and to SEO those images properly, then let them work for you for decades to come. So blocking your competition is another great way to help your SEO with these images. All right. As we said, some of the advanced marketing that you can think about with this is, of course, which images do you need to take? Right? What quality do the images need to be? Right? How to SEO those images so that they do get into these search results. Right? Too large is a problem, too small is a problem. So there's a lot of math and science, if you will, the SEO part of it, which helps to get one of these images ahead of another. Right? I hope this helps with you understanding a little bit more of the Google Core Update from May 2020 and how Google is displaying these images. If you need help with SEOing your images or more information on how to do this, you can always come over to btfoom.com, check us out, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks, and I hope this helps.